No. Okay.
Um,
That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. But is it in Mumbai itself or is it outside of Mumbai? Do you know this?
I think outside of
Okay. Okay. No worries. No worries. Okay. Fine. 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 And since you said you just love winters more, right? So, if I had to ask you about rainy season, do you hate rainy season or do you love rainy season?
no, ma'am. I don't like rainy season. It always rains, and I can't go outside to play with my sisters.
Right. 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 So, do you go to school even during the rainy season?
Yes, I take umbrella. Ma'am, do you like rainy season?
No, even I hate it. I like it only when I'm at home, right? It is cloudy and it rains, so I can see it from the outside, from the inside, right? So I love it. If I have to go outside, I'll hate it. Right? There's water everywhere. I don't like it.
Because my
Right?
sisters are at home, so I and my sister play at home.
Mm, right. So you were at home like for 2 years, from the time of COVID, right? If you remember. Right. So, did you like going? Do you like going to the school or do you like your classes online from home? Which one do you like more?
Going school
And why is it?
is it online? We ca- I can't talk to my friends. Teacher is there,
Hmm.
and
Online, you can't talk to your friends. Hmm.
offline when I'm in school, I can talk. While teacher is writing, we talk to each other.
We try to whisper in each other ears, right? We try to whisper to each other. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Wow, that's great. That's great. And do you also ask your doubts from your friends or do you fight with them? Mhm.
No, ma'am. I don't fight with them.
Okay, that's great. And how many friends do you have? Sorry, I couldn't hear you. Did you say something? How many friends?
Three, ma'am.
Three friends. Wow, that's great. That's great. Yes, and yes. Tell
Do
me.
you, my friend, do you have?
Of course, I have so many friends, right? But the most that I can remember, I have five friends. Five very close friends. Hmm. Yes. Right. And okay, fine. Okay, and what about your favorite food? Do you like home cooked food or do you like fast food like pizzas and burgers?
No, ma'am. I like pizza, but I don't eat outside food all the time. If I want to eat pizzas, my mother can cook it.
Okay. It means you don't prefer outside food. It is all made at your house, right? It made at your home, right, by your mother. Yes. Okay. And when you go outside, like you said, you love going outside with your sisters. When you go outside, don't you have any food outside?
No, ma'am. I want to go to the park,
Uh,
and the park open at 5 o'clock.
okay. Okay. And which one do you like more, ice cream or chocolates?
Ice cream.
Wow, that's great. And which flavor?
Which flavor? I like chocolate. Do you like?
Yes, of course I do. And my favorite is chocolate too. I also love butterscotch. It is good. Yes, but I like chocolate as well. Yes, yes, I
Which is
like
your
it.
favorite color?
Which is my favorite color? These days I love purple more. Right, purple.
I like pink.
Wow, that's a favorite color for every kid, right? Pink.
Every
Hmm.
Everybody like pink color.
Yes, everybody likes pink color. Right, right. Okay, you're such a smart and lovely kid, Ritika. I just love talking to you, right? So, yes, I guess we are about to end the session, right? And I had enjoyed this session with you, and I hope to meet you soon in another session. Do you have any doubts that you want to ask?
Mm, no.
No? No? Okay. Okay. Okay.